ho ho. OMG, this is our side patio. It's covered with snow.
Last time on Road Warrior, we arrived in Vermont, and we do our best to prepare for these snowy and icy conditions that us Floridians are not used to.
Woo! First morning in Vermont. Beautiful out. We're gonna get snow here any minute.
She's sliding.
You got to adapt. Ooh. You're gonna slip and slide there, girl.
My babies.
Look at all that snow. Yeah, that's a good 6 inches of snow.
Yesterday, a bunch of ice from the ceiling, a bunch of snow fell. And like,
Yeah, I saw after you opened the garage, it made it. The Bodog's excited. Keep going, baby. She's awesome. Yeah, I love it. That's my snow dog. That's a good girl. Yeah, if you keep moving, you don't sink, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love it. See, you move fast, you don't sink. Oh! Baby girl. Oh, you are the cutest. Hi, girl. I love you. Yeah, you're cold.
dirty girl. Yeah, we're gonna try to buy myself some pants and gloves, and yeah, fun stuff.
First time snowboarding right here. Oh yeah. Let's get it.
I'm a bear.
It's coming down. Freaking awesome.
Ow! Can't believe we're finally here.
Awesome. It is coming down.
Yeah.
And it has brought the crowds too.
Yes. Damn, it's
We've been outside for just a minute and we're already covered.
covered.
What's up? It's you. You ready to conquer that mountain?
Yes, indeed. Hey, Road Warrior. What's up? Ow. So right now we're learning how to, I was going to say surf, but snowboard. It's so fun. I'm not even cold. This is great. Sean is doing his thing. And we're gonna meet up around 2:30 to eat something, and then we're just gonna hit it.
It's just a little cold up here. Can't see anything. Can you see me? Stoked. Caro just got done with her first snowboarding lesson.
Yes, it was amazing. And it was easier than I thought.
Easier, huh?
Easier than I thought. I'm not saying it's easy, but easier than I thought.
You ready to tear it up?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat. And then tear it up. Catching snowflakes. They taste good.
It's dumping, folks. You. So, at the top of the mountain here, getting ready to get it, and it is dumping. It's pretty awesome. Can't wait for Caro to be able to come up here. Just talked to my dad. My dad's stepmom and sister were supposed to be in Vermont by now. They flew into Albany, New York, and they are stuck. They rented a car, and the car can't even move. It's just spinning tires no matter what they do. So they're gonna give it a try tomorrow. But it's kind of a bummer. They got here and just can't get to the final destination. But it's I mean, it's dumping. It's dangerous out there. There's probably 8 inches, maybe 10 inches down here of snow at the top of the mountain. Man, it was dumping like crazy. But it's been snowing all day non-stop.
Sounds are awesome. Yeah, we put it.
Caro killed it on the snowboard.
Sure.
Boy, I killed her. Now she did good. So next time she's going to the top.
Yes, sir.
On my way up.
All the way up.
Alright, we're waiting for the shuttle. Hopefully it gets here soon.
Yes, because look at all the snow that I have on my...
Oh, that's not the way that jacket is?
Yes.
No.
Gotta pack them in. Getting busy.
Okay, let's hold up 1 second right here. Let's see how much money got. Okay, keep pushing back, you guys. Let's stick with everybody.
Gotta cram them in.
Okay, let's go back a little further. A little more. Okay, how many is with you? Okay, you guys, come on. Okay, hold up a second back there. Hold up. Okay.
It was an epic first day of snowboarding, and everybody was looking to get home and get warm. There were literally thousands of people on the mountain that day, and everybody was trying to get on this shuttle.
Okay, you're in. Okay, the last report. Okay, sorry guys. Cool. You gotta push all the way back in there, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. We gotta get behind the white line here.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Okay, if we can't...
After snowing hard all day, people were just trying to make it back to their cars. Once they get back to their cars, a lot of them realized that there was just no way they were going to be able to drive in this amount of snow.
Will you have a moment, Bill? Can you call me here at the office?
We can barely recognize Juicy.
Right? She's covered. And she's a big girl. It takes a lot to cover her. Whoa.
Well, that's where her car was. This is Caro's second time seeing snow, like made, and this is quite the experience. Wow, Juicy looks crazy.
Juicy looks juicier.
Okay, there's Juicy.
The snow is so white, it makes the truck look yellow.
Oh, the truck's dirty, so Juicy dirty. Wow.
Holy crapola.
Man, we got a good 8 inches.
Okay.
Wow.
Whoa. Oh,
Don't-
hold on. Road. Ah.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy. All right, let me come around here.
That's the right thing to have. Yeah.
Amazon, $15.
Really?
See, this is what
Snow broom.
Snow broom?
we need. That we're from Florida, so we're we're.
Did you get her lying down in the snow?
Oh no!
No.
Oh yeah, baby, go over there. Let's do a snow angel. Yeah, over here. There we go. See?
Don't do it in the middle of the
I was ready.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna. Look at the angel.
Oh my gosh. There. Oh, she just fell. Oh my gosh.
I need to kill her.
All right, let's get out of here. Wow, this is.
Taking piles of snow off of our truck Juicy was definitely a first, especially for us Floridians.
Crazy.
Wow. We're safe, right?
No. Got to get all the windshield, baby, and off the hood, 'cause glad we have 4-wheel drive, because going up this hill would be scary.
Yeah. You have reached me, that's good. There's a road warrior.
Where's the parking space?
I don't know.
Wow, it's so thick.
So I'm about to get out of the car. Sean says that this is gonna get up to my knees. See? No, you lied to me.
Baby, film this.
I am. Whoa. OMG, this is our side patio. It's covered with snow. And this is my handsome warrior over here.
Look at our steps
Oh boy.
and our.
Oh my god, how am I gonna walk the dogs?
Let me see. I can't see. Let me see. I need
Oh.
to shine it on the door.
Don't fall.
This is incredible.
Thanks for joining us on another episode of Road Warrior. Make sure to tune into the next episode as the realities of winter RV living set in, and we do our best to stay warm.